Instagram is perhaps one of the best platforms to check out interesting car builds, like this Bimmer built like an M4 GT4. But looking closer, the vehicle has 4 doors, meaning this is the M3 G80. However, this build has more surprises, such as a rebuilt powertrain capable of astronomical numbers. Jacked up by 400 horsepower, the rebuilt 3.0-liter S58 engine paired with hybrid turbos can produce up to 900 horsepower. Power is sent to the rear wheels via a 6-speed manual transmission. Sounds a lot like fun for track days. It also gets a long list of powertrain modifications, such as an improved cooling courtesy of CSF Radiators. Lightweight treatment is also integrated into the BMW M3, including forged lightweight wheels with Y-spokes, along with aero kits and other parts made out of carbon fiber. The grille is almost perfect, if not for the top slats that differ from the original. With the daytime running lights, DRLs, turning yellow, the builder sought inspiration from the 543 horsepower M3 CS. The interior isn't shown in the images, except for the optional Kyalami orange for the seats and door trimmings, with the latter priced at $2,550. In one of the owner's posts, we see the cabin fitted with a color-matched roll cage. Builds like this prove the performance capability of BMW powertrains, particularly the S58 engine. It is the same power unit found in the M2 and M4. Even the B58 found in the Toyota Supra can produce over 1,000 horses with proper modification. While the CS could be the most extreme M3 we'll see in a while from the factory, the Bavarian automaker will release an EV version that promises over 1,300 horsepower. The combustion engine won't exit the lineup as it will be offered alongside the electric version, expected to be underpinned by the new E-Class platform.